In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PayPal account to Gumroad. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand exactly where to go in your dashboard, what requirements you need to meet, and how to make sure your account is ready to connect to PayPal. First, open your browser and go to your Gumroad dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you land on the main dashboard page. This is the central hub where you can see your products, sales, and overall account activity. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the settings option. This is usually located in the main navigation area of your account. Go ahead and click on settings. Think of this section as the control panel for your Gumroad profile, payouts, and other important configurations. Inside the settings page, you'll see several tabs or sections. Find the one labeled Payments and click on it. This is where Gumroad manages how you receive your money, including bank deposits and PayPal connections. On the Payments page, scroll down until you find the PayPal section. Here, you should see a button that says something like Connect PayPal. If that button is active and clickable, you can start the connection process right away by following the prompts, which will take you to PayPal to authorize the connection. However, you might notice that the PayPal button is grayed out or faded. If you can't click it, that means there are a few requirements you need to meet before Gumroad allows you to connect PayPal. Your account must be marked as compliant, you need to have earned at least $100 in revenue, and you must have received at least one successful payout from Gumroad. If you haven't had that first payout yet, scroll back up on the same payments page and look for the payout method section. This is where you can connect your bank account so that Gumroad can send you your first payout. Follow the prompts to add your banking details securely. After you've connected your bank and received that first successful payout, and once your total earnings reach at least $100 and your account is compliant, go back to the PayPal section. At that point, the Connect PayPal button should become active, and you'll be able to link your PayPal account